Hello, if you want to take 3D photos on a Samsung S25, I just found a way how to do this by using one of the applications from Play Store. I was actually trying to do this by using Google Street View and Google Earth, but it's not working. So you have to just go into Google Play Store and download this application, Panorama 360 and Virtual Tours. And once you actually download this one, you will have to open it and you will get some pop-up notifications that you have to accept, and then you will get this simple camera. So you have to just hold your phone upright in portrait mode and click on this button like that and start simply capturing photos. And each time you capture the photo, you will get a dot on the right side that you have to align with the dot right here. And then after you align all of these dots, after you turn 360 degrees, the photo will be actually captured. It's actually quite simple. I believe that you will get used to it, how we can actually use this application. Yeah, that's the only method. It's not working like, for example, with the Pixel phones, but it's actually some kind of the 3D photo.